Ready to tap into the hottest e-commerce trend of 2025? TikTok Shop is changing the way we buy and sell, unlocking massive profit potential for creators and entrepreneurs. In today's video, we'll show you how to turn TikTok Shop into a cash flow machine. Whether you're a content creator, small business owner, or looking to earn online, this guide is packed with actionable strategies. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips to grow your business. 1. Understand the TikTok Shop ecosystem. To profit from TikTok Shop, start by understanding its ecosystem. TikTok Shop enables users to buy products directly from the platform, streamlining the shopping experience. As a seller, this means you can showcase your products during live streams, in videos, or through affiliate partnerships. Familiarize yourself with TikTok's Seller Dashboard, which includes tools for managing inventory, tracking sales, and analyzing customer insights. By mastering these features, you'll be better equipped to optimize your listings and marketing efforts. Remember, TikTok's algorithm favors engaging high-quality content, so focus on creating videos that showcase your products in creative and authentic ways. 2. Choose trending and profitable products. Success on TikTok Shop starts with choosing the right products to sell. Research trending items in your niche by exploring TikTok hashtags, competitor shops, and platform analytics. Popular categories often include beauty, fashion, gadgets, and home goods, but niche products can also thrive with the right audience. Consider your target demographic and align your offerings with their interests and needs. Test a variety of products to identify what resonates best, and use TikTok's features like polls or Q&A to gather direct feedback from your audience. Stay flexible and adapt your product offerings to shifting consumer trends. 3. Optimize your TikTok content for sales. Content is king on TikTok, and the way you present your products can make or break your sales. Create engaging videos that highlight the benefits, features, and unique aspects of your products. Use trending sounds, catchy captions, and relatable storytelling to connect with your audience. Tutorials, unboxings, and behind-the-scenes content often perform well and build trust with potential buyers. Include clear call to actions, such as tap the link to shop now or check out our TikTok shop below, to guide viewers to your storefront. Test different content styles to discover what resonates most with your audience. 4. Leverage TikTok Live to boost sales. TikTok Live is a powerful tool for showcasing products in real time and engaging with your audience. Use live sessions to demonstrate how your products work, answer questions, and create urgency with limited time offers or discounts. Promote your live streams in advance to maximize attendance, and collaborate with influencers or co-hosts to expand your reach. During live sessions, interact actively with viewers and use TikTok's Pin product feature to make purchasing seamless. Post highlights of your live streams to reach those who couldn't join in real time. 5. Collaborate with influencers. Partnering with TikTok influencers can amplify your reach and credibility. Identify influencers whose audience aligns with your target market and negotiate collaborations to feature your products in their content. Micro-influencers, in particular, often have highly engaged followers and can deliver a strong return on investment. Provide influencers with free samples, exclusive discount codes, or affiliate links to incentivize sales. Their endorsement can introduce your products to a broader audience and create social proof. Always track the performance of influencer campaigns to measure their effectiveness and refine your approach for future partnerships. 6. Use paid ads to scale your business. TikTok's advertising platform offers a range of options to promote your shop, including in-feed ads, branded content, and Spark ads. Paid ads can help you reach a larger audience, drive traffic to your TikTok shop, and boost sales. Start with a small budget to test different ad formats and refine your targeting. Focus on visually compelling ads that align with TikTok's casual, entertaining vibe. Use TikTok's analytics to track performance metrics, such as click-through rates and conversions, and adjust your strategy accordingly. Scaling with paid ads can accelerate your growth and establish your presence in the TikTok marketplace. 7. Offer exclusive deals and promotions. Everyone loves a good deal, and exclusive promotions can drive traffic and encourage purchases. Use TikTok's tools to create limited time discounts, bundle deals, or free shipping offers for your followers. Announce these promotions in your videos and live streams to generate excitement and urgency. Loyalty programs, such as offering rewards for repeat customers, can also foster long-term relationships. Highlighting your promotions with catchy captions and hashtags can increase visibility and attract new shoppers. Introduce gamified elements like giveaways to further engage your audience. A well-timed offer can turn curious viewers into paying customers and keep them coming back for more. 8. Focus on customer engagement and feedback. Building a successful TikTok shop isn't just about sales. It's about creating a community. Respond promptly to comments, questions, and messages to build trust and rapport with your audience. Encourage customers to share reviews or tag your shop in their posts to create user-generated content. Positive feedback and testimonials can boost your shop's credibility and attract new buyers. Use customer insights to improve your products, services, and overall shopping experience. Run engagement campaigns where you feature customer stories to humanize your brand. Engaged and satisfied customers are more likely to recommend your shop and become repeat buyers. 9. Stay consistent and analyze results. Consistency is key to building a thriving TikTok shop. Post regularly, experiment with different content styles, and monitor your performance using TikTok's analytics. Track metrics like video views, engagement rates, and sales conversions to identify what's working and where you can improve. Stay updated on TikTok trends and adapt your strategy to align with the platform's ever-changing landscape. Regularly reviewing your results will help you make data-driven decisions and maintain momentum in your e-commerce journey. Always aim for steady growth rather than quick fixes, ensuring sustainability in your efforts. Build a calendar to maintain a seamless posting schedule. 10. Think long-term and build a brand. While quick sales are exciting, long-term success on TikTok Shop comes from building a recognizable and trusted brand. Focus on delivering quality products, exceptional customer service, and consistent branding across all your content. Create a unique aesthetic, voice, and value proposition that sets you apart from competitors. Invest in storytelling to connect with your audience on a deeper level and foster brand loyalty. Use a mix of aspirational and practical messaging to resonate with a broader audience. By thinking beyond immediate profits, you'll create a sustainable business that thrives in the dynamic world of TikTok commerce. Consistency in your vision will establish your authority over time. TikTok Shop is more than a trend, it's a powerful platform for growing your business in 2025 and beyond. By following these tips, you'll be well equipped to unlock cash flow and turn your TikTok presence into a profitable venture. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights on e-commerce and social media success. Drop a comment below and let us know which strategy you're excited to try. See you in the next video.